Dear students, today we are discussing two more important functions of MS Excel. One is max function and another is min function. Max functions returns the largest value in a set of values as you are passing in the functions, whereas min functions returns to you the smallest value from the set of value as you are passing in the function. Right? We are doing or we are finding this with an appropriate example over here. Here certain values we are entering in this given range, okay, and out of this, if you want to find out maximum number, means the largest value or the largest number from this given range, then what you will be doing? Here you will be using max function. Here in this cell you will be writing equal to max, and in the parenthesis you will be passing range which is containing the numbers, closing the bracket and press enter key. So here answer 13 is appearing. It means in this given range the 13 is the largest number. Now calculate the minimum value, means which number is the smallest one. To find out the smallest one from the range, you will be using min function. Write the min, put the initial value, cell address and ending cell address, press close the parenthesis and press enter key. See here 1 is the minimum number. You see this is a 1 minimum number. Okay, so if you making some changes here, any changes, likewise here I am making 11 instead of 1. You see now the 2 is the minimum number, this 2 is the minimum number. Okay, so max function used to find out the largest number and min function used to find out the smallest number from the given range. Okay, here one worksheet is appearing for you. Roll number, name of the students, term 1, term 2 and final. These are the percentage entered here in the appropriate column. In the final examination some students are absent. Okay, so keeping in mind, here you have to calculate the topper students, means top scorer. Who is the top scorer? His percentage should be appear over here, and the number of students appeared in the final examination, means count the number of students over here. Okay, see here some of the students are absent. Okay, so which function is used to count the number of the students for the final? In this case you can see some text value is there and some numerical value is there. In previous video we have already discussed that which function used to ignore the text. Okay, so you find out, take a review and then apply over here. So this is a worksheet for you to do practically on your computer, okay, and give the response back to us. Thank you.